Hey guys, Resonate by Chanel here. So it has been way too long since I have read to you from the subreddit Petty Revenge, but I literally found the best story. I haven't read it yet, but it has tons of comments, tons of upvotes, and the title alone just had me too intrigued to pass it up. So you guys have to listen to the story and help me decide if this petty revenge is justified or just too far. It's called I farted in front of a guy at the gym because he wouldn't take no for an answer. So a few things. I go to the gym to work out and decompress, and I don't see it as a place to be social. That's why I'm always wearing my large over-the-ear headphones. I was at the gym and just finished one of my sets for deadlifts when a guy walks over. This is something I'm used to despite how much I dislike it, but he starts talking to me and I'm able to pick up that he's flirting. I'm polite and waiting for the proper moment to end the conversation. When he asks for my number, I decline. He keeps talking and going for the usual shtick of, why not? And come on. At that point, I was very uncomfortable and also annoyed because my workout timer had already gone off, and it was past the time for me to start my next set. I put on my big girl pants and tell him that he's making me uncomfortable and I just want to finish my workout. Does he leave? No. He keeps talking now and going on about how he didn't mean it like that and he's not a bad guy. But there was no actual apology to be found. Now during this entire interaction, I had to fart. I was trying to be polite and holding it in until he left, but seeing that he was not, I thought, well, I know a way to get him to leave. As he's still talking, I let it rip. It's silent, but rather deadly. It only takes about 2 seconds for him to catch a whiff. He stops talking and the face he makes is too much that I have to bite my lip to stop laughing. That's when he gives me a look of, are you serious? And then finally leaves. And I'm left alone to finish my workout. Problem solved. Honestly, I need to get on this subreddit more because that story had me cracking up. And obviously, OP did absolutely nothing wrong, and he is lucky that that's all she did. The #1 comments on Reddit literally had me cracking up. You guys have to click the link in the description if you want to see the full story. So guys, was this petty revenge justified to get this guy to shut up? Hell yes. Anyways, besties, I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know in the comments, do you guys want to see me start making longer videos? Because I'm thinking about either starting to do tutorials or bigger compilation videos with more stories. So let me know in the comments, what is some content that you're interested in seeing so that I can make it happen? And also let me know some subreddits that you like to look up because I'm always on the hunt for a good story. Anyways, besties, you know I love you all so much and I'm so glad to have you here in my corner of YouTube. And I will see you in the next video. As usual, stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.